Hello guys, myself Rakshana. Today I am here to present the topic estimation of growth rate of population and food grain production. Growth in both population and food grain production in an economy are key for the development. The food grain production and growth rate of population are in direct relationship to each other. How I am saying that is, as the population increases, the need for the food grain also keeps on increasing. Now let us discuss growth rate of population. Population growth rate express the change in population size as a factor of time. That means if time increases, the population growth rate as increases or decreases, it keeps on fluctuating over the time. The percent change from one period to another can be calculated as PR is equal to POP present minus POP previous divided by POP previous into 100, which represents PR the present rate, POP present is equal to present or future value, POP previous represents past or present value. Next, stepping into the compound growth rate. Compound growth rate is the rate of return that would be required for an investment to grow from its beginning balance to ending price balance, assuming that profit were reinvested at the end of each period of the investment's lifespan. What they are trying to convey is, if we invest some amount at the beginning that fetches some profit at the end, that profit is again reinvested, that yields another profit, that profit is again reinvested, it keeps on reinvesting the profit and that yields a investment lifespan. Simply, measure of growth over multiple time period is compound growth rate. It can be calculated as y is equal to ab the whole power t. Now taking logarithm on both sides, ln y is equal to ln a plus t ln b. Let y is equal to ln y, a ln a, b ln b. Now the linear equation is formed as y is equal to a plus tb. Now substituting the intercept a and slope b, that can be estimated as following below. By computing annual growth rate, CGR is equal to antilog b minus 1 into 100. The further part will be discussed by Harini.
Next, the compound growth is used in economic variables such as area, production, productivity and population. The formula for projection is y future is equal to y present into 1 plus r to the whole power of t, where y future represent a future value and y present represent a present value. R is compound growth rate and t is number of period. Next, we will see about the food grain production. Food grain production, the production of food grain to satisfy the growing rate of the population. India's food grain production is estimated to rise 3.74% to a new record of 308.65 million tonnes in the crop year 2020-21. Total food grain production in India is 150.5 million tonnes. India is the world's largest producer of millets and the second largest producer of wheat, rice and pulses. Food Grain Policy Committee was established in 1943. The committee was set up under the chairmanship of Sir Theodore Gregory. Next, we will discuss some 1 marks regarding to this topic. First question, growth rate of population is calculated by. The answer is PR is equal to POP present minus POP previous divided by POP previous into 100. Growth rate of population is measured in answer percentage. Third question, population growth rate in India is 0.95%. Next question, global human population growth rate is answer 1.1%. Next, compound growth rate is rate of return. Next, formula for projection is y is equal to y present into 1 plus r the whole square t. Next question is World Population Day celebrated on 11th July. Population growth rate is calculated by census data. Next question, grain house of India is Punjab. 10th question, new record of India's food grain production is 308.65 million tonnes. Next, total food grain production in India is answer 150.5 million tonnes. Next, Food Grain Policy Committee was established in 1943. Next question is largest food grain producing state in India is West Bengal. Most consumed grain in the world is corn. World largest producer of millet is India.
Finally, this is the overall idea about growth rate of population and food grain production. Thank you. Thank you for your patient listening.